friends, myself Dr. Sangeeta, consultant in medical genetics at Jindal IVF Center, Chandigarh. So today I am going to speak about preconceptional genetic counseling. So preconceptional genetic counseling is a very recent concept. Every couple want to have children free of genetic diseases or any birth defects. So preconceptional counseling is the answer to that. In preconceptional counseling, we assess the genetic risk of the patient before pregnancy, and whatever tests are required, we do them and advise them appropriately in right time. And this is most relevant for the couple who want to start their pregnancy at later age, like if you can say after 35 years of age. If a couple has history of recurrent pregnancy losses, recurrent IVF failures, recurrent babies with birth defects, or any intellectual disability in the family members, thalassemia major, and many more genetic defects, any neurological illness like epilepsy. So preconception counseling is very beneficial to those couples. And few couples have family history of disorders like diabetes, renal failure and heart disease in young family members. They also have some genetic component, and they also require this. Some females are taking medicines like for diabetes, hypertension, epilepsy, and for skin problems, and most common is the acne. So these medicines can have harmful effect on the developing babies. So they also require this counseling the most. In preconceptional counseling, what we do in preconceptional counseling, we explore the family, personal, genetic history of the couple, and then advise genetic testing if required. And on the basis of the genetic testing, we inform the future prospects. So these are the things which are done during preconceptional counseling. See, this helps us planning a pregnancy in an appropriate way. And with the advent of new genetic techniques like carrier screening and pre-implantation genetic screening and testing, we are able to provide more genetic information, more genetic diagnosis, and save the newborn from getting genetic diseases and major birth defects. So to conclude, these all facilities like preconception counseling, genetic testing and carrier screening, pre-implantation genetic testing, they all are available in our Jindal IVF Center. And for further information as well as guidance, you can contact on the given numbers. And thank you so much.